Anybody use the jacks to adjust your doors instead of using shims?
I use the pump up ones,
The
the
pump
air
up ones.
shims.
You use air shim. You guys want to use the jacks? Where
No,
it
the
has a
kind
little
with
wrench.
twist that you turn and.
It has a little wrench with it, a little socket.
Do you have those?
Yeah, I use those all the time. I love mine. Yeah, you don't have to keep on shimming, hit it in. You just jack it up one side, jack up the other side, and then you can fill it, and and it holds in place, and dude, it's perfect. I love it.
So now you're the first person I've heard actually that uses it. Not that nobody else does. A lot of people must. How much do those things cost?
Like I think they're like $200 now, but when I bought them at the time, they were like $150. They're like $200, I think.
So they're
I
going
haven't bought
up.
them in a while. Yeah, but they're awesome. If anybody, get away from those shims, guys.
Shim shingles.
These jacks are freaking lifesaver. You adjust quicker. You don't have to, yeah. And if you're a solo guy, they're perfect for a solo guy. Perfect. So
we have 3 sets of them. My guys kind of insisted on them. Once we bought one set, they all wanted them. So yeah, same.
They're awesome.
Echoing what Adrian's saying.
Pull out the wallet, boys. Stop being cheap.
Where do you get them?
CRL. Sierra Lawrence has them.
See, that's exactly the sort of thing I was looking for.
See, and I know a pack of shims costs $2, but come on, guys. Come on. Try them out.
Right. How much space do they take up, though?
And they work perfectly for Bill's situation too with the pivot hinges. I use them for them too, and it does a great job. Perfect.
What are they called? What's the name of them?
I call them floor jacks. I really don't know the name of them.
I'm looking too. I keep getting sorry we could not find that.
See who can find it first.
Super Shim Shower Door Leveler.
Super Shim Shower Door Leveler?
Wow.
Is this Super Shim? Is that it?
Yep,
Adrian?
Yeah, I'd say that's it. They're like more like $300.
They're $300?
$281.99.
Wow. Okay. See, I haven't bought them in a while, so dang. Maybe buy from Tim. Buy from Tim.
They didn't fix the glitch yet, Chris.
Yeah, right. $281,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
they are cool.
They are. I love them, man. I mean, if mine broke today, I would spend $300 to buy another pack.
How big is that? Is that like 3 inches cubed? 4 inches?
Yeah, I would say about 3. Yeah.
So small enough to carry pretty easily.
Oh yeah. I have them in my bag. Yeah, my tool bag. They're in there. They have a little. They fit enough. They fit in the pocket on the side of my bag. Both of them do. So the only thing is you're gonna have to like replace the socket wrench maybe once or twice.
It looks like a little ratcheting wrench, right?
Yeah, it's like a little cheap one you get from Harbor Freight, So you pick one of those up, and I know some of you guys shop there. I see your levels, guys. So you know what I'm talking about.